Good day, ma'am. Today, let's tackle about the different major language and family tree. But for now, let's explain you the different types of 7 major types of family tree. Number 1, we have the Indo-European. When we talk about Indo-European, this is the largest among the 7 members of family tree. Also, it's have 3.5 billion people. That's why it's called the largest family tree, because it have a largest people. It is 3.4 billion, and it's called the largest family in terms of speaker. And number 2, we have the Sino-Tibetan. This is also the second largest family members of family tree, which have the 400 language. That's give him the second largest and among the family. And we have the Afro-Asiatic. When we talk about Afro-Asiatics, this is the large language family mainly spoken in Western Asia. And the fourth one is the Niger-Congo. Niger-Congo. This is known as the Afro-Asian, or a large family mainly spoken in Western Asia. This is the 5 among of the largest family language, the Niger-Congo. And we have the 6th one, we have the Austronesian. When we talk about Austronesians, this is the language family spoken by 386 million people. And we have the last one, we have the Dravidian. Dravidian are a family of language spoken by 218 billion people in South India. That's why they name a major family language tree, or the largest major language and family. Thank you.